Hello everyone. This is an update on those two opened up Mitsubishi Pajero transmission controllers. This was the one that was opened up and was not worked on. Confirmed the capacitors were bad in it. Replaced the capacitors. Printed a 3D printed cover. And it's not the best sealing job in the world, but it'll seal it. It'll protect the internal bonding wires and everything, and it should work just fine. This was the one that had the prior repair work. This is the 3D printed cover for it, and you can see I've got all the bonding wires. Let me zoom in here. All the bonding wires have been replaced. All the broken ones, I had to dig into the epoxy right there a little bit. It was a tight fit. When you break a bonding wire on these, they're spot welded on, so you have to grind away the spot weld, and you have to do it very, very carefully so you can get the solder to stick to the pad. So the pads don't end up perfect afterwards, so you don't get the perfect flow. I had to grind in get this to focus. Zoomed in too far, but I'll point. Come on. There it goes. I had to grind into the epoxy right there a bit to be able to put that jumper to repair that broken trace where they gouged and chipped the ceramic. I filled in that chip right there, so it's got some conformal coating in there. The crack right there, I looked under the microscope, made sure it did not extend no further than the epoxy blob, and I used the grinding tool and touched it to make sure that the crack stopped, and that's where the crack stopped. So that crack right there is from that pad to there. All the other bonding wires are in decent condition. All the pads are in decent condition. You have to grind away sometimes at the epoxy right here to get the base for the old capacitors out. You can see that there. It's been ground away. So the customer said this one here is the shop's. So I will complete this unit and we will find a Pajero to stick it in. Right now it seems like all the circuitry is correct and proper, but until we stick it into an actual vehicle, we will not know. So thanks for watching, and to get more updates and see what I've dealt with on this unit, check out my shorts. I will also link them in the description, so be sure to like and subscribe if you like this type of content. I'll be trying different things up here, see if I can get a little bit more interaction with you guys. Catch y'all later.